Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you a docking adapter which you can use it with your laptops if you wanted to have another display as a monitor or something you wanted to attach, and if you wanted to attach a j5 cable to use it as a LAN connection, and you can have additional two USB drives which you can use it for any attachments like Bluetooth mouse or keyboard, or wanted to have another hard disk drive. You can use it for anything. If you wanted to use this adapter with Bluetooth dongle which comes along with mouse and wireless mouse and keyboard, it works well with Windows, but when you're using that Bluetooth dongle with your MacBook, it won't work. So be careful guys, if you're buying it for the MacBook to use it additional keyboard and mouse and you wanted to attach a Bluetooth dongle, it will not work with this adapter. Apart from this issue, I'm using it with Windows laptop. It works well and it performs well with that. So I won't recommend it for the MacBook, but I will definitely recommend it for Windows laptops. Thank you for watching this and see you soon again. Bye bye.